Hello students, this is the artist Jim Dine. He is an American painter. This is one of his very famous pieces of art called the Confetti Heart, and we're going to make one today. Here's some examples that students have made of a confetti heart. And today we are going to make our own. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to fold our paper in half, and this does not have to be perfect. I just want you to practice this. So your paper is going to be vertical or portrait style, which means it's up and down, it's long ways. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom, and if you notice, I'm going to hold my paper and I'm going to push the bottom up to the top, and I'm going to look at my corners and I'm going to try to line them up. Now, if you don't get it done perfect, that's okay. When you're done, you're going to press that crease down and then open it back up. So again, no worries, does not have to be perfect. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to find the sides where that line is, and you're going to find the bottom. So I'm going to put me a little dot in the middle of the bottom, and I'm going to draw a V, but I can also just take that dot to the side. So I'm going to go down to the dot and down to the dot, and that's going to be the bottom of my heart. Okay, now I'm going to come up here to the middle, and I'm going to go about halfway down. So I'm looking at where my paper is in half, and I'm going to put a dot right in the middle of that top half. And from that dot, I'm going to go up and connect it here, and up and connect it here. Now, your heart does not have to be perfect, and we can fix it in a minute. But this should look like a V at the bottom, and it should look like the letter M at the top. Okay, now we're ready for the fun part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my color sticks, and I'm going to draw little confetti lines, or lines that look kind of like sprinkles in the background and all over my heart. So watch. I'm going to roll this up just a little bit, and I'm just going to draw little lines. They can go all different ways. It can be horizontal, can be vertical, can be diagonal. Okay, I'm not going to try to overlap them, but I'm just going to do a lot of these. All right, watch how I do this. So I'm going to use lots of different colors, and it helps to go back and forth with the paint stick on the paper. So that way you get some good thick lines. And remember, we're thinking confetti, sprinkles, those types of lines. Think about what sprinkles look like. Wow, that is a lot of confetti. So now I'm going to take my black paint stick, and I'm going to look for my pencil line, and I'm going to draw my heart. So I want this to be a real thick black outline to draw my heart so that I can see it. Because once I start adding all that confetti, it's hard to see my heart. But now I can see it. You can even kind of smudge it a little bit if you'd like. But you have to do it pretty quick because the paint stick dries pretty quickly. But if you want to smudge it, be my guest. Jim Dine definitely kind of has a smudged heart. And there's our confetti heart. I love this. You should fill your space up. Let your teacher help you fill your space up. You should not have a lot of white space. You should have a lot of confetti, like it just bursts out and makes everybody so happy. It also kind of looks like sprinkles to me. But anyway, have fun making your Jim Dine confetti heart.